Yes, hello, my friends. This is your boy Simon Snipes, and I'm excited to be shooting this video right here. I'm excited, that we as the Roy Club, we're back from. Okay, we part of the Roy Bounty program. We are back from a break. I mean, Roy Club is definitely running 24/7. Yeah, but we at the Roy Bounty program, we are taking a break of our jobs. Yeah, I could call them our job, say, because man, we're making a living from this. We're getting something substantial from Roy Club, and I mean, it's really amazing. And hey guys, I've been talking about us me being able to shoot some videos, I mean, of like proof of payment, you know, just to show you guys that hey, when we receive this money, hey, I'm gonna show you guys that this is real, all right? That this is like legit, and that I mean, this is not like a psych, this is not like a joke or anything like that. And hey guys, today is the day. Guys, who are paid like 2 days back, and I mean it's really exciting. I mean it's cool. I mean, hey guys, I'm like happy, like guys, and I'm gonna share like my excitement with you guys. Like I'm overjoyed, man. Hey, shout out to Roy Club. Shout out to our leaders and team. I mean, who have made this possible. I mean, shout out to my friends who invited me. Uh, yeah, Vice Buddy. I mean, yeah, I mean, all my guys out there. You know yourselves, man, guys. Like I'm grateful. Yeah, and I'm humbled. That I got this opportunity to be able to earn something even out of my day job. And hey, guys, I mean, it's awesome. It's really awesome. And hey, guys, I'm gonna make this video like worth your while, and I know after you guys checking out this video, I know you guys are gonna be like, hey, we need to get that, we need to get that down. You know what I'm saying? Like we need to get it down, lock it down. That we want to join that thing right there. We want to join Roy Club. We want to make that money. Yeah, and 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 I tell you guys, it's amazing. It's been an amazing past couple of days within the month of February. Hey, but February, oh my God, yeah. I mean, like in February, what, what? Guys, sorry. Oh my God, this is supposed to be like Feb. This is supposed not Feb. This is supposed to be like today is the 5th of March, and I wrote 5th of. I mean, my mindset is still looking at like Feb, and yet it's March. I mean, sorry guys, today is 5th of Feb, 5th of March. Oh my God, sorry guys. Hey, I think let me just get straight to it. So for security reasons, yeah, I already logged into my Singen Pro account. So all I'm gonna do is just show you guys like just gonna show you guys like the balance, like what is there, and like some of the transactions, and that is it. So guys, do bear with me. Yeah, I mean, this is the video you guys have been waiting for, right? So I'm on the Singen Pro website. Yeah, this is where my payment was made for the month of February, and I'm gonna be showing you guys like, yeah. So guys, this is my balance here, right here, uh, and I'm having a balance of 1,278 prisms in my wallet right now, courtesy of Roy Club, guys. I mean, this is amazing, and this is just an equivalent in US dollars. That's about 267 $267, guys. Guys, I mean, this is awesome, guys. I mean, I don't know if you like see that. I mean, this is like great, and like yeah, this is like awesome. This is what, guys, we're able to get, and I'm just gonna go to like my wallet. I'm gonna go through like transactions, and yeah, we're gonna be able to see. Yeah, I mean, yeah, here we are, guys. So you can see these are deposits that came in. I mean, yeah, this is we were paid like on 4th here, guys, and some other payments came in within the 5th, guys, and yeah, a total of that. I mean, like, you can see the dates here, guys. I mean, this is like proof, guys. This is like proof. Yeah, this is like proof that this is real, guys. And we're just looking forward that you guys may join us. Guys may be a part of us, and let's move forward. Let's like push forward, that we may be able to, yeah, to earn something, yeah, guys. And hey, once again, today is the 5th of March. It ain't February, guys. Sorry about that. I mean, that's my bad. And guys, I hope, I mean, this has been proof enough for you guys, that hey, we really getting this, we really earning something out of this. And guys, I hope you will be joining us soon. I hope this video has been awesome for you guys, and it has been really, really, really great. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope you guys, like join us and be a part of this. Otherwise, yeah, God bless you, and yeah, you stay cool, bro.